Alright, in the previous video we have learned what minimum spanning tree is. Now in this lecture, before moving forward to algorithm of minimum spanning tree, we will talk about another concept which is disjoint set. Now you might be interested that why we will learn this before the algorithm of minimum spanning tree. This is because we will use disjoint set inside algorithm of minimum spanning tree. So let's get started to identify disjoint set. A disjoint set data structure, also called a union find data structure or merge set data structure. It's a data structure that stores a collection of disjoint sets. Equivalently, it's a data structure that keeps track of set of elements which are partitioned into a number of disjoint and non-overlapping sets, and each set has a representative which helps in identifying that set. It means each set is represented by one element. There are three standard disjoint set operations which are make set, union set, and find set. Now let's look at these operations one by one. So the first operation is make set. So as the name implies, we are creating n number of sets for n number of elements, and of course it is one-time job. So let's say we are given 5 elements A, B, C, D, E, and we want to manage these elements using disjoint set. So the first thing that we are going to do, we will create 5 independent sets as we created over here. Then the next thing that we can do, we can merge any given set by using union sets. So union sets operation is used to merge any given sets. For example, if you want to merge A and B, by using union method, we can merge them like this. So as you see, A and B merge together and become one set. Now after merging this is how our sets look like. So similarly, we can join A and E. So in this case, A is located in this set and E is located separate set. So if we join them, they will become A, B, E set. Now as you see, first we join A and B together. Then if we want to join A and E, so A located in A, B set, so it means that we will join this set with E. So after joining, it becomes like this. Now the last operation that we can perform on a disjoint set is find set operation. This operation returns the name in which this element is. So here, for example, if you find B set, so in this set, it's going to return AB because B is located in AB set. Now here, if you want to find E, in this case, it will return this set over here. So this is the set that is returning. So basically, this is the logic behind the disjoint set. In this lecture, we have learned that we can make 3 operations in disjoint set. So make set, union set, and find set. Now, hopefully you have understood the logic behind these operations, and now let's create disjoint set in Python.